مرحب مرحب يا هلال، أهلا أهلا كيف الحال؟ مرحب مرحب يا هلال، أهلا أهلا كيف الحال؟ قد غبت وإليك اشتقنا، وانتهى بعدك صار وصال. نعطي صبرا نأخذ أجرا، والله يرانا ويسمعنا.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make another Ramadan decoration using almost all the items from Dollar Tree. So keep watching, and if you like it, please like, subscribe with notification bell. It really helps. And don't forget to leave a comment if you like it. So today the video is about this Ramadan Kareem decoration. Each one represents a prayer rug. All I need: cardboard, turquoise and gold glitter paper, glue, jute twine and hook, hot glue gun, mini pom-pom trim, letters, scissor, pencil, paper and ruler. Let's get started. First I have to draw a rectangle. The width is 9 centimeters and the length is 13 centimeters. Then cut it out. I need 13 pieces so I can glue the letters of Ramadan Kareem on them. So this is 13 pieces, cardboards. Now I need to use the glitter paper, the turquoise. I need for each 2 pieces from the glitter paper so I can cover or glue from the front and the back. Now I have to draw a mask. Fold the paper. It has to be smaller than this one. Now I'll draw it. And cut it out. Like that, and see the size if it's good. Yeah, it's good. So this is, I will use it as a pattern. Now I will trace it on the gold glitter paper. This one I need like 13 pieces too. And cut it out. I will do one piece, and this is the same steps for all the 13 pieces. I will do it like that. Try to put it in the middle. Like that. Now I have to do a crochet chain. I'll just show you. I need this one to glue it around the a rectangle. That. And I already did one. This one. So I will glue it around it. all around it. When I'm done, I will show you. Now I will use the pom-pom trim. I have this one, it's lifted over. I will glue it at the top and the bottom. Like that. I did 13 pieces, the same step. Now I will use these letters to glue it on all these pieces. I already prepared it. So this is for Ramadan. Kareem. Now I will glue it with the glue, not with the hot glue gun, because it's like the paper and like it's will like not will be straight. I will glue all of them and come back. Last step. Now I have to glue the jute twine to each piece, but I have to leave like some jute on both ends like that, so I can hang it to the wall or to a fireplace as you like. Then when I glue like the pieces, I begin with the first letter like R in Ramadan and put it on the right side. So this is the opposite, like that. Begin with the R, the first letter, and put it on the right, and the second letter, like that, and glue it, and go on. Leave some jute. And go on. So this is my Ramadan decoration for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos about Ramadan.